Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about Firefly and how to create your nice logo just in 1 minute. After that we can insert it as a 3D model like that in Unreal Engine. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. First of all, we need to go to Illustrator and File, New. After that we need to choose for example web, and choose anyone and choose this side, square size, create. So now we have a square file. What we are going to do now, Mr. GFX, Mr. Alt GFX. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we need to change the font to any nice font, like maybe this one, Mr. No, we can choose another one. Maybe we can take this one. Mr. GFX. Okay, maybe we can choose different font. I think this will be nice. Okay, scale it like that, and this one to be like that. Okay, so after that, what we are going to do now, we need to choose all of them, go to object and choose expand to separate all of this item, ungroup, and we can put all of them separate like that. Okay, like that, and we can scale it to be in the middle of our file. So what we are going to do now, we need to go to file and export as file, export, save for web, to merge this background with that white background. Choose JPEG. After that, save. Go to any file like desktop, 3D, and Mr. GFX. Okay, so after that, save. Next step, we need to go to Creative Cloud, or Adobe Firefly. Okay, open. It will open your browser. Now we can write blue balloon isolated and white background. Okay, so balloon generate. So we can choose maybe this one. We can write blue balloon with wrinkles. Okay, isolated in white background. Not good, we can remove this one. Okay, generate. We can choose this one because we can choose this one. this one. Okay, go to edit and use as style reference. Okay, we can download it. Okay, so now if you look here, we have composition and we have now we have composition and we have style. If you go to style, we will see our image. And what we are going to do now, we need to go to composition and upload our logo from where? Okay, from here, go to desktop 3D and choose our logo. Strength, we can put it like that, and we will decrease this value later. So we choose from here, generate. We can choose hyper realistic and generate. We can make it square or widescreen as you like. Generate, wait a little bit. I think this nice result. Now maybe we can take this one letter and save, export as. We can put it here, file, export as, save. Okay, and go to Adobe Firefly, upload our image from here, 3D, generate. Okay, nice shape. We can go to edit, download. We can go to Google, rodent, hyper human, choose. So we can make join with your account. After that we can add our, we need to download first this one. So go to rodent. After that we need to choose this photo, generate. Now we have nice letter, so we can confirm, and we don't need to make symmetry. Generate, no, without symmetry. Generate. So now we have nice shape. We can generate this one with the material texture, create. Nice texture, confirm. So after that we can download this one as an object, download. So after that, if we open our folder, extract here, now extract this one, we have our object and our texture. We can open Unreal, file, new level, and basic. So after that we can go to here, add new folder, Firefly. Okay, import. So now we can choose all of them, import. Okay, import. So now we have this one, scale it, to 300. Okay, so we can insert our texture. So we have diffuse and metallic and normal. So we can choose this one, diffuse, create material. After that we can open this one. Save this level, and we can drag and drop all material from here. This one, and insert it here. So we can, this one metallic, connect with metallic, this one normal. Okay, diffuse with diffuse, and okay, specular, and this one with roughness. Apply, close, and just drag and drop this one here. Now if you look here, we have amazing shape. Okay, amazing details. We can duplicate this one from here, and we can create our material from here. Material, drag and drop here. So from this area we can number 3 from keyboard, connect to this one and convert as a parameter. We can choose anyone, any color as you like, for example this one, and click number 1 from keyboard, metallic, and convert to parameter. Copy paste. Okay, so we can specular and roughness, and delete this one. So this is metallic, and this is one specular and roughness. Okay, so slide max, all of them, we can select all of them. Slide max, default value will be 1, and 0, default will be 0, and apply. Close. We can make an instance from this one and come here, double click, and so if you look here we have our material, metallic and roughness. Now look, and we can increase it like that, and roughness to be like that. So you can make model for your balloon, okay, to be like that. Now look, amazing result. Now if we make play from this area, look, amazing shape and nice character. So this is the easy way to insert any logo from Firefly to Unreal just in a few steps. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.